Hi everyone, my name is Abhinav Singh and I welcome you all to yet another video by CPL Tech Talk YouTube channel. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे how we can use OneNote to export my notes created as a teacher in a PDF format, which is much more easier format to share or if something that I want to keep it for my own reference. तो सबसे पहले I'm gonna open OneNote app and as you can see in my OneNote I have multiple notebooks. I'm going to choose Class Team 1 notebook as a demo account here, and here as you know you can see multiple sections named after each subject teacher for a class or a team. I'm going to choose teacher 2 and here is the list of pages so far created by me in my notebook section. So let's say photosynthesis is a page I'm interested in, and I click on the right top 3 dots and I click on share page as a PDF. Simple, the PDF is being created. Now I can share it with anybody on WhatsApp. Simple, done. Now this is just an easy way to export the content that you have created in OneNote. However, one point to note is that OneNote recordings will not be exported as PDF for obvious reason, as recordings are not a printable item. Okay. Another thing that we're going to talk about is how I can move my notes from my notebook to another notebook, or if I have more than one notebooks to access, or maybe I want to export all my notes from the work or school notebook to my Gmail account associated notebook. So let's see. So I click on, let's say, photosynthesis page. I press on that page and hold so that I get the selection option. Let's say I select photosynthesis and trigonometry, and on the right top you see there are 3 options. One is delete, second one is move. I click on move and it gives me an option, where do I want to move this particular page. So I can either choose a section within the notebook, Class Team 1 notebook that is, or I can just click on the left arrow on Class Team 1 notebook and I can choose my personal notebook as well, or any other notebook for that matter. So I'm going to choose Abhinav at Completech Private Limited. I'm going to choose quick notes as a section, and if I want to create a copy of it, then I'll click on create a copy. So the page remains in my class notebook and a copy is created in this notebook. So I'll say select and it's done. So here's my trigonometry page, and here should be my another page which will come up very soon. Okay, so this is how you can move pages from your work notebook to your personal and vice versa. Hopefully it was useful. Stay tuned, stay safe.